Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to manage hard drive space using Dropbox. Now let us begin. Well, you note that I have already installed the Dropbox application in my desktop. In case you have not, to install it right now. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to manage the hard disk space. At the top right of this section on this application, you will see your profile picture, that is, access and manage your Dropbox settings. Simply click on it. Well, as you can see, lots and lots of options, but the thing we're looking right now is manage hard drive space. Click on it right now. A new tab like this will open up. Do note that I have saved some files offline from Dropbox to my desktop. Now let's say I want to manage the hard drive space because I don't have much space in my desktop. I'm simply gonna select all these files, and at the bottom you can see something like move to online only. It's simply stating that the files in our desktop will not be available offline. I'm gonna click on this button right here, and guys, that's it. All offline files were successfully moved to online only. And guys, that's it. That's how you manage your hard disk space for Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.